In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a story video using AI. Don't worry because this AI is a web-based AI that you can use using any browser available to you. To get started, open your browser and search for nvideo.io. On their homepage, you'll find the Try Invoice AI button, which you should click to be able to proceed on creating a video from text prompts. Once you click on this, the platform will take you to their chat prompt area where you can enter the text or command prompt to create the video. Enter your prompt on the field provided and click on generate a video once you're done. After that, the AI will load and look for images and text to incorporate on your video based on your prompt. Once the videos and text are gathered, you'll need to choose the audience, such as the target audience of your video, the look and feel of the video, and the platform where you'll post the video. Now, once you're done with this, just click on the continue button. This will redirect you into a new page where you can find your video loading. This is where you can check the progress of your video. Once it's done, you'll be able to find the produced video of the AI in this area.
The world knows him today as a beacon of resilience, a titan of industry, a paragon of success. But it wasn't always this way. His past, a stark contrast to his current prosperity, was steeped in hardship, loss, and adversity. Our story begins in a small town where a young boy, barely 5 years of age, faced the unthinkable, the loss of his parents. Suddenly, life's harsh realities were thrust upon him. Bereft of guidance and support, he was left to navigate the tumultuous waters of life alone. Growing up, he was no stranger to adversity. His childhood was not filled with the usual joys and games, but with the struggle to survive. He worked odd jobs, shining shoes, delivering newspapers, anything to put food on the table. Yet, despite the harshness of his reality, he never let his spirit wane. He was a fighter, battling his way through the trials that life threw at him. The boy understood at a tender age that knowledge was his best ally. He sought education fervently, studying under street lamps when the sun had set, reading discarded newspapers for the knowledge they held. He taught himself the basics of business from the scraps of information he could find. He learned about the world, about people, about the power of perseverance. As he grew older, his hardships molded him into a tenacious man. His experiences instilled the value of diligence and resilience. To alter his destiny, he refined his approach, initiating a small enterprise.
By entering a prompt in this area and clicking generate, you can edit out the video. You can remove the sections that you don't want to include on the video using the command prompt or by clicking on the edit button that you'll find beside export. Now, once you've finalized your video, just go ahead and click on the export button. In here, you can select how you want to publish your video. Removing the iStock watermark on the video is only possible if you upgrade your plan on nvideo.io. Now, once you click continue, this will redirect you into a new page where your video is ready to be downloaded on your device. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.